Ultraviolet UV or UV band is a band of the electromagnetic EM spectrum that has shorter wavelengths, roughly 10 nanometers to about 380 nanometers, but higher energies and higher frequencies than those in the visible V band. Basically, the ultraviolet band is a band of the EM spectrum that has shorter wavelengths but higher energies and higher frequencies than those in the V band. So let's go look at the electromagnetic spectrum. And let's go find the ultraviolet band. The ultraviolet band is within this region that I am circling, approximately. Now notice in this band we say that it has shorter wavelengths than the V band. If we take a look at the electromagnetic spectrum up to the ultraviolet band, we see the length of the radio band is really long compared to the microwave and the infrared and the visible band. The ultraviolet band has much shorter distances between the peaks or the length of the wave compared to the visible infrared, microwave, or radio band. The icon, or the typical size that could fit in between the peak-to-peak wavelength, is that of a molecule, such as the molecular hydrogen or H2O. It could fit, one of those molecules could fit between the peak-to-peak length of the wave. So they're much shorter wavelengths than the visible bands, but if you look at the frequencies, we have much higher numbers than that in the visible band. Therefore, the frequencies are higher, and therefore the energies are higher of the radiation type. The side of the radiation band that is closest to visual is called the near ultraviolet band, or NUV for short. The side that is furthest away from the visual wavelength band is called the far ultraviolet, or FUV for short. But the whole width of the band is the ultraviolet band. The side closest to the visual wavelength is the near ultraviolet. The side furthest from the visual band is the far ultraviolet. And the ultraviolet band is a band that has shorter wavelengths, higher frequencies, and higher energies than those in the radio, microwave, infrared, or visible bands.